Today is the picnic.
5 more minutes.
Hello? The bus will come early.
Just 1 minute.
Come on, sweetheart.
Okay. Picnic day! Wait, is it test day?
No test. Picnic. I am away!
Mom, blue sky!
Water bottle. Hat. Sunscreen. Lunchbox.
Yes, I will do it! Good morning!
Toast and egg.
Here is milk. Here is lunch.
It is stuck.
Slowly, like this.
Oops!
Good cleaning.
What should I pack?
Water bottle. Hat. Sunscreen.
Zip your bag. Safe.
Zip done. I am ready.
Hat on.
Not too tight.
Share with friends, okay?
Okay.
Be good.
I will.
Water bottle. Yes.
Hey, I can't see.
Now I can see.
Bus!
Good morning.
Ready for picnic, Mia?
Yes! I am so excited!
Hold the rail and sit properly, okay?
Yeah! Excuse me. Sorry. Hi, Lily. Here. Hi. I have crayons and a frisbee. Oh no. Water bottle? Ah, it is here. Today we will run a lot. Look at the trees.
Don't forget, picnic, not test.
Yes. Well, good morning. Look, picnic schedule. I will eat 5 sandwiches. 5?
That is too many!
Class, listen. Picnic rules. Stay with your group.
Can we play games?
Yes.
P-I-C-K-N-I-C-K. Mia, it is picnic. 1K.
Oops, my pencil is silly. My rule is eat cake first.
No! Cake is later. Oh no. Here you go. Thanks.
Line up. We go now.
I am in line.
No running.
Sorry. I will walk.
Seatbelts if you have them. Sit nicely.
Let's play frisbee later.
I have bananas.
Nice!
Quiet voices, kids.
I see big trees!
We are here.
There! Wow! The park is so big! It smells nice. Look! Ducks! Hello, ducks!
Line up. Walk together.
I am a fast squirrel! Don't run!
This is our spot.
1, 2, 3, pull!
Good job. Put lunchboxes here.
Sunscreen time! Mia, that is your hat.
Sunscreen goes on skin.
Now I do it right.
Duck, duck, goose.
Duck, 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 moose! You can't catch me! Tag, you're it!
All right, teams, pull.
Heave, pull!
That's it. Keep going.
We won! Pull! Pull!
Catch. Oh, no.
Walk slowly. Look at leaves.
It is so pretty. You are a butterfly magnet. My hat is gone.
We will find it.
Check near the bushes.
Maybe it flew away. Look, it's here. You found my hat. Thank you.
Oh no. Sorry.
It's okay. Here, napkins.
Good teamwork.
Your hat is on the bush.
My hat had a picnic too. Okay, class. Clean up time.
I put trash in the bin. Oops, it is too big. Fold like this. 1, 2. Bye, little leaf.
Stay in line. No running.
Okay.
One by one. Good job.
Thank you.
Sit down, please.
My legs are tired.
Best picnic day.
Yes, and I said moo! Oh, my finger. Silly hat.
That is my home.
How was the picnic? Amazing! I shared food. I helped Nabil.
Good. Helping is a strong habit.
Can we do a picnic again soon? Yes, soon. Now wash your hands. Shoes off, please.
Okay, Mom. Why it doesn't open?
That is the zip. This is the lock.
Soap bubbles.
Rub your fingers. Clean nails too.
Like this?
Turn it off.
Oops, off now. I am hungry.
Sit nicely, Noah.
No running, Noah.
Good walking.
I said
I saw ducks. Quack, quack.
Nice sharing. One person at a time.
Okay, Mia first. Oops, spill.
It's okay. Clean it.
I clean. Like Mia.
Today I helped Nabil. Helping feels good.
I helped. I carried my bottle.
Good. Helping is strong.
And we use kind words. Good night, Mia.
Good night, Mia. Good night, Noah. Picnic again soon.
Sleep well.
Good night. Night.